Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to add a stunning 3D zoom effect in CapCut on your PC, specifically using the 2025 updates that make video editing even more intuitive and fun. Whether you're sprucing up your YouTube videos, social media clips, or personal projects, this feature can add that professional flair and draw viewers right into your content. So, let's jump straight in. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of CapCut installed on your PC. Head over to the official website if you need to download it. It's free and super straightforward. Once you're set, launch the app and create a new project. Now, import your video clip by clicking the Import button and selecting your file from your computer. This sets the stage for the magic. Next, drag your video onto the timeline so you can work with it easily. Select the clip by clicking on it. Then look for the Effects tab on the right-hand side of the interface. It's usually labeled clearly. In the search bar within the Effects panel, type in 3D Zoom or something similar, as CapCut's 2025 update includes enhanced zoom effects for more depth and realism. Once you find the 3D zoom effect, drag it directly onto your selected clip. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Customize the effect. Click on the effect in the timeline to open its settings. Adjust the zoom level, set the start and end points for a smooth transition, and even tweak the direction or speed to fit your style. Don't forget to play around with keyframes if you want precise control. CapCut makes this easy with its user-friendly tools. After tweaking, hit the preview button to see your 3D zoom in action. If it looks good, go ahead and export your video by clicking the export option at the top. Choose your preferred settings, like resolution and format, and you're done. A quick tip. For the best results, use high-resolution footage and experiment with combining this effect with others, like color grading, to make your videos pop even more. That's it for this tutorial. It's that simple. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.